RVing is an awesome
Wait,
experience.
sorry, I was missing it out.
See if we can do
Let's roll.
one take without getting eaten alive. RVing is an awesome experience. To me, RVing means freedom on the road. At the same time, RVing is fundamentally hindered by gas and fossil fuels. And with millions of EV pickup trucks set to hit the roads over the coming years, RVing is only going to get harder.
We tried pulling an aerodynamic travel trailer from Colorado to California and had to hit every charger along the way. At one point, we actually had to drop the trailer and come back and get it after we charged up. It sucked.
Yeah, it was a serious challenge. We are Lightship and we are redesigning the RV. Imagine an RV that is designed like an EV. It is aerodynamic. It is all electric. The inside is modern and connected with a big, beautiful touch display. And on the roof, nothing but solar.
We want you to come join us. We're looking for engineers of all different backgrounds to come make the RVing experience better for everyone.